Hey there, you already here, just in time. Well, you've obviously heard of the Redmi A series, India's favorite smartphone series. And thanks to you, our Mi fans, every phone launched in this series has been a damdar hit. And that's with good reason, because we strive to get the latest in technology to our fans before anyone else. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into why you are here.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
The all-new Redmi 8A. First of all, it comes with an all-new Aura wave grip design, and it features a large 6.22-inch high-definition display which has a dot notch. Not just that, it comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery, and it can be charged quickly over a USB Type-C port, something that this price class has not seen before. Coming to performance, it features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor, giving you enough juice to play all the latest games. And of course, it is a dual SIM device, but we've also added a third slot. That is a dedicated slot for your expandable storage. You can expand up to 512 GB. If I go on, amazing cameras. At the back, it features a 12 megapixel camera which has a Sony IMX 363 sensor. Now this sensor is special because you normally see this only in flagship phones. Not just the back camera, we've also upgraded the front camera. The front camera is an 8 megapixel AI Selfie camera, giving you those amazing selfies whenever you need them. Of course, it comes with Xiaomi's promised quality. At the front, it's got Corning Gorilla Glass 5, again a first in its class, as well as the entire device is coated with P2I nano coating. That means it is splash resistant. That means you can take it out in the rain and not have to worry about a thing. And there's one more thing that I'm forgetting, one more feature. Oh yeah, it comes with the awesome wireless FM radio feature too. And you can enjoy that on the Redmi 8A's amazing loudspeakers. Hey Sahil, this is office, yeah? Don't play music so loud.
So that's the amazing Redmi 8A for all of you guys. And I'm happy to share this is being launched in India first before anywhere else in the world. We are launching Redmi 8A in two different variants, 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, and 3GB RAM, 32GB storage. You might have noticed that in all our recent launches, we're providing minimum 32GB storage because people are taking pictures, shooting videos, posting them on social media. So we believe 32GB is the minimum storage that our Mi fans should have. So what should be the price of Redmi 8A? The honest price of Redmi 8A, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage is only Rs 6,499. And 3GB, 32GB variant is being launched at only 6,999. So where can you buy Redmi 8A? It is going to be available 4 days from now on 29th of September, which is a Sunday, at 11:59 PM on Mi.com and our partner platform Flipkart.com. In fact, Flipkart is running one of the biggest sale events, Big Billion Days, and Redmi 8A is going to be available during Big Billion Days. And soon, this will be made available across all our offline stores, Mi Home, Mi Studio, Mi Stores, and Mi Preferred Partners. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab your amazing Redmi 8A. Thank you so much everybody for joining us today. See you guys very soon. Bye.